I am Kent Higgins, president of Dynamac. Dynamac is a CNC machine shop. So one of the things that got me interested in 3D printing, some of the 3D printers I was looking at were extremely expensive. Along came Markforged. GSC was kind enough to produce some sample parts for me that were just phenomenal. We started looking at fixturing and end-of-arm tooling and things like that that a machine shop would use. And I was able to do this effortlessly with my own printer. The first time I saw a part from Markforged, I couldn't believe the cosmetics, how beautiful it was. I had no idea how precision it was, but just off the top it was fantastic. If you're a machine shop that uses a coordinate measuring machine, you've already got an excuse to buy a 3D printer. I'd highly recommend the Markforged 3D printer. You will save so much time in every setup for QC. Your operators will love it, your QC department will love it, but it will pay for itself over and over again.